Shivani Pujari and I'm back again with another video of this web development series where we're gonna see everything about code editors, IDEs and plugins. There are so many options out there for code editors, IDEs that beginners end up choosing wrong ones, and that happens, and after some time they were like, oh okay, this is the best, but I'm so used to that other one, now what to do? So in the beginning only, if you find the right mentor or find the right mentor's video, if you see this video, then you will be smart enough to analyze that okay, this is perfect for me, I should use this, right? Same happened with me, guys. When I was a beginner, I literally don't know like where to code. I want to build websites, but the question is where to code and what is the best place to code. Is there paid thing or is it a free thing? Where to go and what are the properties included in that? What are the features included in that which is best for me as a beginner? So all of those questions I'm going to answer today in this video. So let's get started. So guys, I'm an educator in Newton School. So let's see what Newton School is all about. So my friends, Newton School is a platform which prepares you for career in tech. They have variety of courses which help professional working people and also for the people from non-tech background. Isn't that amazing, guys? They train you for 6 months to be a full stack web developer. Also, they ensures that you get placed in the best companies in the country. This wasn't the best part, guys. They have pay after placement facilities which ensures that you don't need to pay anything until and unless you get placed in the best companies with minimum 5 lakh CTC. Isn't that crazy, guys? So one more thing. Here you can see Launchpad. Launchpad is an initiative by Newton School for the students who want to learn coding from scratch. And here you can do as much as quiz you want and assignments you want to practice for the free of cost. Isn't that cool? And I want you all to go and check out their pages and try your hands on with this practice questions. So my friends, in the introduction part, as I said, even as a beginner, I did a mistake that I don't know like where to write my code. So let's see what place I have actually chosen to write the code, this place. Are you surprised that seriously, John, with Notepad, you have chosen Notepad to write code? Is it possible to write code using Notepad? Then my friends, my answer is yes. We can write our code even with the Notepad as well. But how? Let's see. Okay, now don't be confused with all the codes I have written over here because see, I will explain everything later. I just want to let you know, guys, that we can write code in the Notepad as well. And this is the output in the browser. Yes, we did it. Now you will be like, okay, if we can write code on this Notepad as well, then why are the big, developers use that different colors of line? They have green colors of code lines. How is that possible? Then let me tell you another thing. Drawback is that you can't code faster using Notepad. As you can see that we have to type everything manually, right? So it becomes difficult. So what is the difference between code editor and IDE? IDE is we can do version control, writing code, debugging, everything at a single place. But whereas using code editors, you can write code using plugins. Almost every developer's favorite is VS Code. So let me show you how VS Code works. First of all, you have to download it according to your operating system and then open your folder here. And I'm going to make one file called index.html over here like this. And let me tell you, .html extension is very important. Why? Because we are telling the browser that we have to make .html file. because there are so many kind of files available on the browser. That is why we want our browser to identify this particular file as .html file. You can write any name beside it, index, file, anything, but remember to keep it .html extension. Now, as I shown you the whole boilerplate here in the notepad, can you see with this little shortcut I have written the whole code? Isn't that cool? But this does not mean that you can write it easily. As a beginner, you have to write it manually, and then when you become good at HTML and CSS, at that time you can use this shortcut. So this is just to explain you that how faster you can code using this code editors. And still there is one more thing left to explain you all, that how to show the output, how to view it in a local host browser. You have to just download this plugin called Live Server and then open your document using it. So there you go. Here, this is how using these plugins you can make your life much more better as a developer. So that is why I would surely recommend you all to start with VS Code. Throughout the course, I'm gonna use Newton School's code editor, and even you can use Newton School's code editor. It is very good. But if you want to use any other code editor, you can just see my videos and copy paste code entirely over there. And this much for today, guys. Let me know in the comments what do you think about this video, and if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comments, and I will be happy to help you guys. Have a great evening. Bye bye.